and I am 1/3 of the Duke fam. In today's video, we will be doing our new kitchen reveal. So for context, we actually have a newly constructed house. It's a duplex, and we decided to do a full renovation of our kitchen so that we get to have the kitchen that we actually want. But before we show you our new kitchen, let me show you how our kitchen looked like before the renovation. And now here's our kitchen after the renovation. So yes, we're done with our kitchen renovation. Aside from the kitchen area, we also renovated the laundry area. Tapos nagkaroon din kami ng add-on na bar area. We will do like a kitchen tour or a kitchen walkthrough at some point, but we will do that on another video kapag nakapaglinis na kami ng house. So for today, I wanted to touch on a little bit about who our contractor was, and what the experience was like when it comes to the whole process, and maybe touch on some of the favorite parts of this renovation. So, ayun, kwentuhan muna tayo. So, initially, when my husband and I decided that we will do a full kitchen renovation, my first instinct was, I want to have an IKEA kitchen. Kasi, sino ba namang hindi nagpunta sa mga IKEA showrooms, di ba? Tapos hindi nagsabi ng, I want this for my kitchen or I want this for my house. Kasi magaganda talaga yung mga nandun. We went as far as getting someone to do an ocular visit here in our house. They actually did measurements of our kitchen area. Tapos pinag-aralan ko yung kanilang kitchen planning studio thingy sa kanilang website. We also went to their planning studio to further finalize yung design. So everything was printed out, tapos babayaran na lang namin. But we also had to keep a lot of things in mind before we fully decide on what we want to do. Kasi syempre, it's not easy money, di ba? When you do a kitchen renovation, you're really going to spend money. So, ayun, we had a couple of considerations that we had to think of. So, we had a couple of things na kailangan namin i-consider when it comes to deciding if we're gonna do an IKEA kitchen or not. So, first off is, sa IKEA kitchen kasi, yung mga mag-assemble nung cabinets, that's all that they're going to do as far as I know. They're not gonna do like everything else. They're not gonna do the rest of the renovation for you. So, that means na we still had to get some other contractor to demolish yung existing kitchen counter. So, syempre, pag dinemolish yun, masisira yung floor tiles, yung backsplash, kailangan i-retile. And then, we also had to consider yung electricals kasi merong socket dun sa existing kitchen island namin at the time. And then, we also had to redo yung configuration ng lighting dito sa aming kitchen kasi nga the previous lighting configuration didn't make much sense. So that was the first consideration. The second was our kitchen sink. So our kitchen sink was existing na way before pa we decided on a kitchen renovation. We bought this actually November 2022. And as you have seen, our kitchen sink is actually an apron style na farmhouse sink. So it's very big and it's also very heavy. I wasn't sure how well it will go with an IKEA kitchen cabinet, kung kayang i-sustain yung weight niya, or do we need to get it reinforced and things like that. So that was the second consideration. And then the third one is yung quality. So it's quite common, I think, na may makikita kayo online that would say na one of the reasons why IKEA furnitures are cheap is because the quality isn't very great. So I really wanted to do a lot of research on that. So thankfully naman, nung nagre-research ako, okay naman yung mga nababasa kong reviews when it comes to IKEA kitchen itself. Like, some would say na they had their IKEA kitchen for like 10 years, even going as far as 17 years, ganyan, and okay pa naman daw. Now, while I was doing my research, I went through Home Buddies na Facebook group, and there, sakto lang, merong nag-post din asking about IKEA kitchen cabinets. So, syempre, I went through the comments, and one of the commenters there was Jonard Piloton. So, Jonard is actually the head of On-Site Plus Renovation, who is our kitchen contractor. So basically, I really liked his comment kasi it was very informative. It wasn't like, oh, wag kayo dyan, dito kayo sa magpagawa. It was very informative. And I checked out his Facebook page. I liked what I saw, so I decided to reach out to him. I explained to him what the situation was. Now we have this new house, pero I really want to get the kitchen renovated. And then I think within a week, we were able to schedule for him to do an ocular visit dito sa house. And during the ocular, he did the measurements. We talked. I showed him my issues dun sa existing kitchen, what I wanted. We talked about what I like. And then at the end of the day, basically he just told me na just send me yung mga Pinterest inspirations mo, and then I will create a design for you. So I think it took about a month for Jonrel to get back to me with a kitchen design, and needless to say that I really like what I saw, what he submitted to me. The way he did the layout and the configuration of the kitchen, it made it so that some of the things that I thought I would have to let go became possible again. So after looking at the initial design, actually from the initial design to what we have now, there has been some changes here and there, but more or less, ito na yun. Ito, more or less, siya na yan. What we did was we had another meeting, and then I just told him some of the changes that I want to incorporate pa rin, if it's possible. We talked about these changes, and then he submitted, a more finalized design kind of thing. And then after like a week or so, we met up again here sa house where we did a contract signing. So after contract signing, siguro a couple of weeks lang, and he deployed na his workers here dito sa house, and they started working on it. I think it just took them more or less 2 months to finish. And then just when they were about to finish the kitchen, I decided why not add the bar area na rin para dito sa buong area na to, kompleto na kami, tapos na kami, wala na kaming iisipin. So working with Jonard and his team was really a really good experience for us. I think it was a breath of fresh air kasi first time ko maka-experience na sinesendan ako ng mga progress report, and it was a good thing kasi masasabihan ko siya agad pag meron akong concern, and then actually every concern that I had, he would really address. Hindi siya yung parang nadi-dismiss lang. He would make sure that he would answer my questions. One of the things that I liked about working with him as well is hindi siya yes lang ng yes sa mga gusto kong ipagawa or gusto kong ipapalitan or something like that. Or if meron akong idea na hindi naman okay, he would really be honest with it and he would be respectful about it. He would tell me na, Miss Crystal, this is not going to work out, and then he will give me the explanation for that. And then because he explained it really well, I would be able to let it go right away. So that's one of the things that I really liked about working with him. The other thing is, ayun, he has really good quality control kasi every day, every time na nandito yung workers niya, nandito rin siya. So, namamanage niya or namamonitor niya really well. And it was nice kasi his workers are also very skilled. They know what they're doing. They know what they're talking about. So, it was a really easy experience for us to be working with them. If I ever do any renovation again here in this house, which I probably would at some form or another, definitely it's his team or it's Donald who I will go to first. He will be my first choice. So what are our favorite parts of this kitchen renovation? Number one for me would be the ceiling. Ang ganda ng ceiling namin. Hindi ko na-imagine na magiging ganyan yung itsura niya. So, I really like the way that they did it. They incorporated LED lights, so mas maganda yung lighting. And then at the same time, they added yung fluted panels here. Actually, nung sa initial design, wala yan. But when they finish up and everything was just so white, sabi sa akin ni Donald, parang nawala ng dimension kasi nga puting-puti. So he proposed to add the fluted panels, which is, I think, a very good suggestion. I love it. And ayun, I really liked how the ceiling turned out. My second favorite part of the renovation would be this kitchen island. So, must have ko talaga yung kitchen island. And we did have one initially dun sa original design, but it was so small. Tapos, I actually call it a kitchen nook na nagpapanggap ng kitchen island kasi walang way to put like cabinets or drawers on it or something. So, with this kitchen island that they did, it's so much wider. Tapos, yung simple thing lang na ginawa ni Jonard na he changed the layout from vertical to horizontal like this. It really opened up so much of the possibilities kasi I really wanted yung ganitong kitchen island na naka-attach sa banquet chair or sa bench or sa dining area because it kind of helps minimize the space. Yung parang meron akong dining area, meron akong kitchen island all in one place. So that was one of the things that I really liked with what they did na just this small change ng configuration. It gave us room to make it so much wider. Tapos the kitchen island itself, it has drawers, it has cabinets, and then it also has my third requirement on a kitchen island, which is the socket electrical plugs para madaling mag-plug in ng mga small appliances and things like that. My third favorite part of the renovation would be this arch. Yung arch dyan sa may laundry area, sa papasok sa laundry area. John Arnold sent me yung design niya. I noticed agad na may pa-arch yung yung laundry area. I never talked to him about it. I don't recall ever talking to him about it. So, na-amuse ako na meron pa-arch. Pero I was just thinking na, pa-effect lang yan. Parang on paper lang siguro yan or something. So, I was actually pleasantly surprised when they told me na, no, Miss Crystal, actually gagawin talaga namin yan. Magpapa-arch tayo, may arch tayo dyan. So, I think adding that arch in there just really gave the space and I don't know, a bit more character to it. So I love this arch that they made. So yes, that's it for our new kitchen video. I hope you guys liked it as much as we do. I'm really excited to show you the whole thing at some point. But yeah, stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching today and I hope you have a good day. Bye!